So number one, you need to have half of a lemon, or you can use lime, into the blender. That's it right there, okay? You need to put that into the blender to start the whole process of this drink. All right, I did this drink yesterday and I'm going to do it one more time today. I'm using fresh ginger, and fresh ginger is the best thing to use. All right, rough about a teaspoon of ginger if you're great at it. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why this is so important for us, okay? Bowel cancer, or colon cancer, or you know what I mean, which cancer, which is so much around at the moment. So we're gonna have to, you know what I mean, detox up our body as much as we can to reduce that inflammation. Salt. Some people might have said, oh, that's a whole heap of salt. Is that a lot of salt? Because your body needs salt. All right, guys. Yes. Here, we're gonna put some water. All right. Right here. Okay. This is it. You want to do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best time to do it. That's how it look. Frothy. Here it is. Every day for the next few days. That's what's going on in the kitchen right there. So what you want to do? Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before you eat your breakfast. And the book, From Poverty to Purpose, it's available on Amazon. Go over and get yourself a copy right now. With your detoxing, get rid of some of that toxin out of your immune system, and the list goes on and on and on. There's so much about this simple little recipe. So what you want to do? Drink this instantly. Wow, that is it right here, guys. You see? That's for me for the day. It is not morning now, it's afternoon, but a lot of people is morning for them now. All right, and that's why I share this recipe back again. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, yeah man, stay blessed.